Hi everyone, my name is Arshdeep Singh and today I am presenting New Balance. New Balance commits to quality, performance and innovation for athletic and everyday footwear. The company was founded in 1906, mainly specializing in arch sports but later expanded into footwear. It has built a reputation for quality, craftsmanship and is known for commitment to domestic manufacturing. Why current athletic footwear falls short? Many athletes struggle with discomfort and blisters caused by inadequate cushioning and fit. Existing shoes often lack of the support and stability and every limited option in style. Some shoe wear out quickly, falling to with sand and straining lesson daily use. What are the solution? New Balance offers extensive size options and width to ensure a precise fit for everyone. New Balance use materials like fresh foam and Revlite for superior comfort and sport. We are using high quality material for long lasting durability and integrating technologies such as XISM outsoles and stability enhancements to optimize athletic performance. The company is estimated to be worth 365 billion by few next year. The revenue in 2023 was 6.5 billion, out of which 5.5 billion was only from footwear and 1 billion from apparel. New Balance has strong brand loyalty and recognizing amongst athletics and fitness enthusiasts and is rapidly expanding across the globe. The product that we offer includes running shoes which are designed for various terrains and distances. Walking shoes are the comfortable option for daily wear. Our training and cross training shoes are versatile footwear for gym workouts and cross training activities. Lifestyle footwear are fashionable sneakers that blend style with comfort. Last but not least, we do offer performance driven athletic clothing. We achieved the sales target in 2023. The revenue was 6.5, which is 23% more sales compared to 2022. By 2025, we aim to source 100% preferred cotton and eliminated the use of hazardous chemicals. New Balance team, including James S. Davis, is an American businessman who is the owner and chairman of the New Balance. He is also an early investor in Major League Lacrosse. Joe Preston is the CEO of the company. The main competitors of New Balance are Under Armour, which focuses on performance, apparel, and footwear. Second competitor is Nike, which is known for innovative design and investment with top athletics. Adidas is another major global brand offering a wide range of athletic and casual footwear. Asics specializes in performance running shoes and athletic apparel. Our motive is to achieve the estimated revenue of 10 million used in next few years. We are seeing the sales grow faster than that large rival like Nike and Adidas. We are aiming to open 90 new stores across the world and provide more opportunities for employment. We ask to raise about 80,000 today, out of which 35% will be used in marketing and promotions. 20% of the raised money will be used in the development of product and remaining 45% will be used for hiring new employees and salaries. Thank you.